全观众朋友来看国际新闻，讲到美国的阿拉巴马州自古执行全世界头一个氮气死刑，把犯着杀人罪死刑犯史密斯，该灌氮气半点钟了后就来过往。不过，这款的方式无经过测试，可能会造成真大的痛苦，受到外界批评。联合国也把呼吁美国唔通安尼生做。
美国阿拉巴马州离国执行全球头一个氮气死刑，在1988年放车杀害一名女性的死刑犯史密斯，已经在当地时间暗时8点15分放处刑。对此，受害者家属讲，正义将有实现咯。
Kenneth Smith made some bad decisions 35 years ago, and his debt was paid tonight.
阿拉巴马州本来在2022年就要对史密斯来执行注射死刑，却是因为找无适合的注射点，最后是暂停行刑。史密斯是伫交代遗言了后，伫厝内底人甲媒体面前行完最后的人生。
He appeared conscious for several minutes into the execution. For about 2 minutes following that, Kenneth Smith shook and writhed for about 2 minutes on a gurney.
史密斯的律师一直到最后时阵，也伫向法院申请暂停行刑，却是遭到拒绝。尽管行刑是经过美国联邦的最高法院同意，也毋过将氮气灌入去，造成欠缺氧气死亡的死刑方式，过去无经过测试，有可能为受刑人带来真大的痛苦，所以讲引来真侪批评。
There would be a lot of safety concerns because it's something new, something we haven't done before. So there would be making sure that you had the right pressure. So there would be months and months of research and talking to experts in their fields.
伫史密斯行刑进前，联合国把呼吁美国停止计划，避免造成酷刑，今年违反国际人权法。尽全美只有3个州批准氮气的死刑，英国除了阿拉巴马州，其他2个州拢无实际来执行过。国际新闻，牛眼编译。